In this video, I will show you how to change your Gmail password. So make sure to follow along and watch the entire tutorial to learn how to update your Google account password and keep your Gmail account secure. Also, before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started, what you want to do is head over to Gmail and make sure you're logged into the account that you want to change your Gmail password for. Once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner and next to the Google Apps icon, you want to click onto your Google account profile icon. Once you've done that, click onto manage your Google account. And that's going to take you across to your Google account screen. Now, it's important to note that when you do this, it's going to change your password across all Google services, as of course Gmail is a part of Google, so you will be changing your password for all Google services. Now, from here, if you come over to the left-hand side, you can see in this menu, there's an option for Google Password. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this, where first of all, you're going to have to enter your current password for a quick verification check. Once you've entered your password, you'll be taken to this screen here where you can now create your new password. So what you need to do is enter your new password into the box here and then confirm your new password down here. And once you've done that, you can click the change password button at the bottom, and that's going to change your Gmail password. So that's how to change Gmail password. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.